So I just arrived at the Siem Reap Hotel. Just be aware when you book this hotel, it's not where the map is. It's another 1.5 kilometers away from the city, so if you need to get into town, you've got to take a tuk-tuk or walk every time. That's a bit of a disappointment. There's a pool down in 103. Okay, I'm ground floor, 103. Have a look at the room. Toilet. Room safe. Robes. Like the room safe is a lock box with a toilet. Bum gun. Shower, overhead shower. Sink, TV, coffee gear, complimentary water, a little fridge, bed, firm, very firm. It's an outside area. You can share it with the next door neighbour. You're not looking at much, hey? Alright, that's the room. It's the aircon, fan. Just be aware on booking.com, the hotel on the map is actually about 1.2 kilometers that way in the heart of downtown. So you stay here, you got to take a tuk-tuk every time you want to go shopping or anywhere. There's nothing around here. So just be aware if you book in this hotel on booking.com, the map reads that it's actually that way. However, we are here at the boutique Indochine Hotel, Siem Reap. Well, they have a tuk-tuk outside. It costs you $1 or $2 every time you want to go to the market or to shops. Yeah, but there's nothing here. It's quiet. Family friendly. However, you got to travel every time you want to go anywhere. Also, the room I booked, I got here, it was an incorrect room. Just trying to sort it out now. Just trying to get what I paid for. Okay, I just moved upstairs. There's a pool and there's dining. This is the second floor. I'm on the third floor. It's quite nice inside. That's the pool. There's a restaurant. Right. Found me in 301. Right, same layout as the other place. This one's got a proper safe. More important, it's got the bum gun still. Shower. And it's got a balcony. Hate not having a balcony. Looks like it's got like a little lounge area upstairs too. Anyway, here now. That's my review. It's about $188 for 5 nights. So pretty good. 188 US Australian dollars, that is. So it's pretty good. 188 Australian dollars. Any questions, let me know. Pretty good. Anyway, quite a good hotel. Biggest things is the location, located on booking.com. It's incorrect. Apparently the hotels asked booking.com to change it, but they haven't changed it. So shout out to booking.com, change the shit over. Oh, this is the tuk-tuk into the old town. It cost the tuk-tuk from the hotel, it cost $1. I don't know what it cost to come back. We'll find out soon enough. Downtown part of Siem Reap. You've got Pub Street just here, all the bars, all the clubs, everything you need. Just down here. It's pretty lively at night time apparently. Oh, this is the old market. And right here is All Cheer Street, Pub Street they call it. Full of pubs. Come down here at night. See what's happening. Just having a look today. Just checked in. Phnom Penh, correction, Siem Reap. Got the same stuff as anywhere else in Asia. Alright. Just arriving at Pub Street here. This is the main intersection to get. Like a lively place at night time. It will be a lively place. About to get run over. Anyway, sure it's full at night. Lots of people. Right, into Pub Street. The markets. Restaurants and bars galore. Right, let's go check out the old market. See what they got. Well, this is the main part of Siem Reap, the tourist area. Pub Street's just back up there. The old market's just here. pretty nice here. It's pretty clean. Everyone's helpful and nice. We're at the old market in Siem Reap. Intersection of Pub Street. About to get run over, so I've got to get off the street quick. Hey guys, just a short video on the hotel I stayed at in Siem Reap and also the local area in downtown. Hope you enjoyed and follow for more videos.